The EconoDot holds thousands of adhesive patterns and is great for both short and long-term projects. Requiring only a standard 110 outlet, the EconoDot is a versatile, lightweight benchtop adhesive dispenser that takes up little space, allowing it to easily integrate into any production process. The EconoDot is only compatible with GlueDot's brand adhesive rolls with a registered liner. Loading the adhesive onto the EconoDot is quick and easy. Loosen the supply reel clamp knob on the front of the EconoDot and remove the plate. Load the adhesive roll onto the reel, ensuring the liner turns clockwise. Pull the liner over the top of the first roller and thread it under the second roller. Thread the liner through the U-channel sensor and pull over the top of the nose plate. Press down on the peeler roller separation lever to separate the peeler rollers and hold to continue threading the liner between the peeler rollers. Once the liner has been pulled through, release the separation lever and open the door to the protective shroud. Pull the liner down all the way through the shroud. Press down on the spring-loaded lever to separate the motor drive roller and the clamp roller inside the shroud. Hold the lever down while threading the liner between the drive rollers. Once the liner is threaded through the drive rollers, release the lever and close the door. Replace the cover plate and secure it with the supply reel clamp knob. Plug in the EconoDot, turn it on, and it's ready to use. The EconoDot can be used to attach trial-size products and samples, hold products together before shrink wrapping, gift basket assembly, mailers with attachments such as sachet packets, magnets and coupons, and various other applications. The EconoDot is easy to use. Simply press the product on the nose plate of the system and peel the product away from you, triggering the photo-sensing eye. The EconoDot will automatically advance the next adhesive pattern, matching the pace of the user. Its small, lightweight design allows the EconoDot to be moved from workstation to workstation quickly and easily. EconoDot from GlueDots International, a convenient, cost-effective benchtop adhesive dispenser. GlueDots International has proudly served the packaging, printing, assembly, post-press, food and beverage, pharmaceutical, and point-of-purchase industries for more than 20 years.